Hey, whoo, it's your boy TOJ, man. Hit like, share, and subscribe or not. Don't forget to comment. Also, I'm gonna leave my donation links in the comment section. So let's jump right into the content. The Supreme Court has rejected basically every bid for Donald Trump to try to overturn the election. Okay, and I remember about a couple of months ago when the Honorable Ruth Bader Ginsburg had passed away, and before the lady was even in the ground, Mitch McConnell and all them son of a bitches was pushing that lady through. They grabbed Amy Coney Barrett and was shoving this lady through confirmation. They wanted to put her on the Supreme Court quick to have somebody who would back all the Trump bullshit. They wanted her to overturn Obamacare, which didn't happen, and they wanted her to be in a position to vote in favor of Donald Trump staying in the White House. This is basically every sick, twisted version of political theater you ever laid your eyes on. And it's disgusting for us to be alive to see this shit happening before our eyes. I would always hear these crazy stories about, people being, like looking at Richard Nixon getting impeached. And I was like, damn, not so much as being jealous, but I was like, wow, we will never be alive to see crazy stuff like this happen. And I remember watching House of Cards on Netflix and being like, that stuff won't happen. There's no presidents that's crazy enough to try every trick in the book to maintain power. Donald Trump is literally Frank Underwood on steroids. Okay, this is literally what an egomaniac looked like in the White House. Megalomaniac. And I'm sorry that his supporters just don't want to see the light. But this guy is a real true to the bone nutcase. The dude is facing indictment in 2 months. The minute he leaves the White House, there's a woman in New York, an attorney general, that's waiting, okay, to indict his ass on tax fraud. And you all know it. His supporters know it, and Donald Trump know it, which is why he's already sitting in the White House in a bunker somewhere with some peanut butter looking to pre-pardon his own kids. When you pardon somebody, it's an admission of guilt. Michael Cohen's testimony is already sitting on a desk in New York waiting for Trump to bring his ass to back to Florida. They're waiting on him. He knows this, and all his followers know it. So all that crazy conspiracy theories about the fact that this is some kind of rigged election is bullshit. Every legal mind, every legal expert all said that all this Dominion technology, Dominion voting machines, all rigged, and there's an algorithm that sniff out votes and all this crazy shit. It was all thrown out. 35 plus cases have been thrown out in all battleground states. Pennsylvania thrown out, Georgia thrown out, Michigan overturned. So you're looking at a man who just refuses to lose. You can lose with grace. Fuck it. You had your shot in the White House. Your ego is fulfilled. You're gonna go down in history. What more do you want? Okay? That crazy farce with Giuliani and that drunk woman. Like, I'm sorry, guys. When you have, when I was young, I don't know what age, but I grew up in church, and I would always see mega size, like mega church pastors. And I can always, as a little boy, I can look at them guys and be like, they full of shit. They fake. You know, they're not for the, they're not for the, for the parishioners. Okay. But I would still see 30,000 people packing these mega sized churches. And I would see these same mega preachers get indicted for real estate scams, money laundering, buying their wives expensive cars, private jets, and the dumb motherfuckers in the crowd would be like, oh, he's a man of God. He deserve our forgiveness. He ain't nobody perfect. And I would still see like a cult. These same people follow these dudes to the pit of hell. Donald Trump followers are the exact same way. COVID-19, fuck it. I ain't wearing a mask. Donald Trump said COVID-19 is a hoax. I'm not going to wear a mask. Donald Trump caught the virus. Well, it was bound to happen. Every time Trump would say something or do anything that was crazy, out the ordinary, his supporters was there to back him up. If you ever wondered how somebody would join a cult and you laughed at them people, guess what? Your cousins, your neighbors, your friends, your family members are all Trump supporters. They're all part of the same cult now. This man is making more money as a loser than he was in the White House. There's more money in the con in pretending that it was a rigged election. Trump is making more money pretending to overturn the election. He didn't raise over what, $200 million. One person is already sitting at home who donated 2.5 million for Trump to overturn the election that he lost, that he legally lost. And now he's begging for his money back. No, keep that same energy. You knew Trump lost. You donated 2.5 million, hoping he would find fraud, and he didn't. You got played. And all of them are getting played. And they don't even care. They really don't care. Okay? Is more money in pretending Trump was wronged by a rigged election than doing the honorable thing and saying, fuck it, I lost. Okay? Hey, bro, it's a wicked game, dog. It's a vicious cycle, and it seemed that this dude ain't going down without a fight. Okay, he's gonna try to pardon his kids. His followers are in the comment section crying with tears. Oh, Judge Amy Coney Barrett, how dare you turn your back on the Constitution? Well, Trump hired the lady or nominated her to go to the Supreme Court because he claimed she followed the Constitution. But guess what? She and all the other conservative justices all followed the Constitution and agreed with all the lower courts. All the lower courts all threw them cases out. 40 fucking cases got thrown out. Which you expecting people to sit there and be thankful that Trump gave them a job? I don't know, bro. I don't know where we go after this. I mean, the inauguration is going to happen no matter what. Okay, and Trump ain't doing shit to make the transition any better. History will judge this dude, bro, and so will the courts in New York. He can pardon himself federally, but he's facing state charges. The woman, the attorney general in New York, already said it. She said, "Oh yeah, I'm going after him." That's like her career-making case. Giuliani had the mafia. This lady wants Trump, and he's gonna take his whole family down with him. But hey, bro, he's a big man. He's a big boy. He can handle himself. Hit like, share, and subscribe or not. I'm out. Peace.